Released the Samir Bhavnani app. You can download it now on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. More about it at the end of this video.
Stop, please.
Shut up, Satoshi. Look at his lunch, Tim.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Please, guys, stop. What are you doing?
What is that? Yogurt. Yogurts?
Just stop it. That was my lunch.
Shut it, Satoshi. I'm so tired of it. That food is making my stomach hurt. Oh, dang. That's what he eats. Oh my god. I have an idea. Hold him down. Okay.
Let go of me, Tony.
Shut up.
Stop!
Dude, what are you doing?
Shut up, Tony. Just hold him down.
Okay, Lebowski.
What are you doing, Tim? Don't, guys.
Lebowski.
No!
Professor? Mr. Shin? Everything okay?
Oh, sorry, Eric. I got distracted reading your essay. Thank you for turning in this extra credit about the art museum. I'm glad you went.
Thanks. I hope it helps out my grade, even though I joined the school late.
How are you liking it here so far?
It's great. It's only my second day, and the students are really nice. What about my essay distracted you?
Ah, it's silly. Your name, Lebowski.
Oh.
Oh, no. It's nothing wrong. I knew a Lebowski growing up.
Maybe he was my dad.
Doubt it. Unless his name is Tim.
Yeah, that is my dad's name.
Lebowski, what are you doing? Stop, let me go!
Might be a different Tim Lebowski.
No, Lebowski, no!
Yeah, maybe. I'm gonna read your essay and I'll get it back to you, Eric.
Thanks, Mr. Shin.
Yeah.
Lebowski, what are you doing? Stop, Tim! Let me go! Stop! No, Lebowski, no!
Shut up, Satoshi. Help me, God. Oh, God.
Hey, Mom. I'm home.
Great, baby. I just finished making dinner. How's your day at school?
Great, Mom. My favorite professor, Mr. Shitoshi, he gave me an A on my essay.
Wow, that's great, baby. Your first A in a long time. You see, I knew this new school was going to be a great change. How about we go hang it up in the fridge now? What? Why is it all brown suddenly?
I don't know. I think he spilled chocolate sauce or something all over it.
What? That's unprofessional. Is that what he said he did?
You know, it was kind of weird. He just handed it back to me and kept on staring at me with a smirk. Almost like a eating grin. I sniffed it earlier. It smelled like Cheetos, not chocolate.
Let me see.
See? Tastes weird.
Eric, this isn't chocolate.
What is it, Mom?
Mr. Shin here, we believe, took a dump on my son's essay.
Shitashi, You took a dump on the student's essay? Explain this immediately.
Shitoshi.
Big Dean. Yes. Yes, I did take a dump on Eric's essay.
What? How could you do this to my son's essay? What is the meaning of this?
Shitoshi, how could you do this? This is cause for immediate dismissal. You're so close to tenure.
I can explain.
Please.
Eric's dad here, many years ago, when we were students, took a dump on my face. That's right, Eric. Your dad was a bully. And when we were students, he held me down, his friend Tony, and took a dump on my face because of my name.
Really? With Tony?
You went to Perry Middle School, right, Tim?
He did.
Yeah, so what? We were kids. This is an adult taking a dump on my son's essay.
Dad, you took a dump on a kid's face? You were a bully?
What, son? I was a dumb kid.
Tell that to the bullies at my other school. That was the reason we moved.
Seriously, Tim? I would have never married you if I knew you did something like this.
Come on, Maggie. I mean, this guy took a dump on our son's essay.
But Dad, you took one on his face. Can't you just apologize to him?
I'm sorry, Shitoshi.
I'm sorry, Mr. Shin. I got bullied too. I know how bad it can get. I'm sorry my dad tormented you like this.
I'm sorry, Eric, that you were being bullied. I know what you went through. I'm so sorry that I took vengeance out on you and your essay for something your dad did to me. I should have done that.
It's okay, Mr. Shin.
Aw, so sweet. This is how we like things to resolve themselves. You guys won't be filing any charges, will you?
No. But I will be having a talk with my husband tonight. Let's go.
Shitoshi, you got lucky on this one. I'm sorry that guy took a your face. I'm glad this all worked out.
Thank you, Big Dean. Don't worry, that'll never happen again. Don't worry, I watched.
Stacy, I need to dispose of something. Immediately. Bring gloves. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I'll be right there.
Seeking out revenge may seem like the best thing and most satisfying thing to do, but always try to control yourself. In this case, it worked out for Shitoshi, but that may not always be the case. Instead, if you have a problem, before you try to seek revenge, talk out the problem with the person you have the issues with. You'll be surprised at how the results will make you both feel happy. We just dropped the Samir Bhavnani app. You can download it now on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. You can watch all of the videos you see on YouTube, but now on our app. Every single video I've ever made is on that app, so you want to check it out. It functions very similar to YouTube. You can just scroll through it and view any video. It has extremely fast loading time. You can heart the videos and you can leave comments. This app is completely family friendly and kid friendly. So make sure you download it now if you want to check out all of our latest content and more. The app is completely free to use. We just have some ads playing on it, and we have options to remove the ads as well. So make sure you download it now. Whether you're on iPhone or Android, you can get it on both services. Hey, I truly hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember to drop this video a like. It takes less than a second, and I truly hope the morals in today's videos can help you out. Remember, when you share these videos and like them, you're helping the quality of society improve. We're trying to spread as much positivity and positive energy in your life and in others. So hopefully you can share this video and leave a comment. I love reading all of your comments. I heart as many as I can, and I try to reply to as many as I can. And subscribe to this channel because I'm always making new content and you don't want to miss the next video. I hope my content improves the quality of your life and brightens your day. And if it does, remember to share this video with someone else who could also use the positive messages. Remember to also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. You can reach out to me directly there and I reply to all those messages as well. And also remember to download the Samir Bhavnani app. We have all our latest content on there completely free to view. It's on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So download it now.